For my science demonstration, I've chosen to demonstrate earthquakes. This topic or this demonstration would fit perfectly into a second grade classroom into the standard of ESS 1-1, which states, use information from several sources to provide evidence that the Earth's events can occur quickly or slowly. And obviously an earthquake would occur quickly. So living in the Rocky Mountains where I live, or Kansas, while we do have some earthquakes, they're usually not noticeable. So it can be difficult for students to envision the mass amount of change that can occur because of an earthquake, such as in California or other places that fall along fault lines. So for this demonstration, all you need is 2 pieces of cardboard, and on both pieces of cardboard you need to put holes in it and attach a piece of string, as that's what you'll pull on. And then you need to get tape, and as you can see, you tape the pieces of cardboard together, leaving about 1 inch apart from each other. So the cardboard will represent the tectonic plates, and then you're going to need some dirt. So this is just dirt from my yard. So again, it cost me absolutely nothing to do this. And it's kind of fun to use the dirt from outside because I think it makes it more real. Although you want to make sure not to get too big of rocks. So right now I'm just building the Earth's crust on top of the tectonic plates. And you want to make it so it covers it, but you don't want it too thick, because if it gets too thick and heavy, then it won't shake the way that you need it to in order to demonstrate an earthquake. So I think that one is good. There's some of these rocks we don't need. Just a nice thin layer. And then if you really want to get in depth and you want to show students more than just the shaking of the dirt, then you can bring in like Lego men, or have them make little people or trees or something out of Play-Doh and place it on here, or even bring in like Lincoln logs and build structures to see what happens to them. So I think we'll call that good. So as you can see, I have my cardboard for the most part covered. And if I wanted to, I can make like a little hill right here. Just see what happens to it. Again, not too many big rocks. You don't want to get too heavy. Alright, so there's my little hill. Okay, so now, after I have the Earth's crust on the tectonic plates, then I want to take each string in my hand, and it might be easier to have somebody help you with this, because it is kind of difficult unless you have smaller pieces. So you can't see it, but I'm grabbing both strings, and I'm going to gently pull apart from each other. And it starts to shake as the tape tries to break. And you just increase the strength at which you're pulling as you go. It's kind of hard to see on here, but we've actually lost a lot of dirt on the sides here, especially back here. My hill has gotten a little bit flatter. I think this would be a really cool demonstration if we had actual structures on here, because we could watch them fall over or break apart. Because the shaking is kind of violent, just like an earthquake. So that is my demonstration. Again, it cost nothing for me to do this, and I'm sure that you all have the same supplies at home. And it aligns with second grade standard, and it really helps children, your students, visualize what an actual earthquake looks like and how quickly it can change the surface of the earth.